Welcome to the Faster, Easier, Better show. This podcast is short, fun, and jam-packed with good ideas that you can start using right away.
Welcome to another episode. I'm your co-host, Ellen, along with my co-host,
L-E-E Lee. Focus on that. Sorry. I just couldn't
Focus
resist.
on your name. Okay, so when you spell, you spell. So
That's so profound. When you
so
spell, you
profound.
spell. Because I know you're going to say something else that when you cook, you cook.
When you cook, you cook.
So,
when you,
There you go.
you know,
You're
if you want to
consistent.
if you want to run faster, run faster. Now, my point is focus in on what you're doing or what you want to be doing. So if I want to run faster, then I should run faster. And it doesn't mean like, okay, I'm gonna do a 4-minute mile. No, it's just if I want to run faster, then I add what will make me better and will help me run faster is if I add in bits of running faster. That you build up. You build up to getting what you want.
I thought you were going to talk about just doing one thing at a time and focusing on it to get where you want to go faster, because the people that seem to get ahead seem to be so laser focused on what they want that they're able to just get rid of the things that are inefficient in their lives and just say, that doesn't help me get where I want to go. And they cut them out. And I admire that as someone who is all over the place. Oh, that looks interesting. Oh, look at that shiny object over there. Oh, yes, I want to do that too. It's not so easy. And that is, I watch people leapfrog me, run past me, leave me in the dust. I'm like, what is happening? And that's what's happening. I'm taking little side roads while they're on the freeway going straight to their destination.
Well, and I don't think these two are separate things, because if you want to focus more, then focus more. So let's say, okay, I want to accomplish this. I want to get better at this. Well, then, give yourself little extra bursts of focus. Okay, if I want to be reading more, okay, read more. Set time aside, figure out a way to build it into your life. Just wanting something doesn't make it happen. So
Yeah, so you're talking about no big butts.
no big butts.
No big butts, meaning I would say, well, I would focus more, but, and then you would answer with, but this, my kids, my job, my the noise outside of my office, the people that walk in and out all the time. I mean, but, so you're saying no buts.
No
allowed.
buts. Yeah, you just figure out a way. And, the whole saying, Rome wasn't built in a day. You kind of have to take that into account. Okay, I'm not going to run faster just magically. It's not going to be like, oops, there it is. I ran faster today, so boom, I'm done. No, you add on to things. You accumulate the knowledge, you accumulate the skill, and you do that by focusing on what you want and making it happen a little bit every day.
Right. So I always called it compound improvement,
Oh,
where it's a little bit better each day. And over time, you add that. It doesn't seem like a lot each time, but over time, it adds up.
Yeah, it's kaizen.
Kaizen.
Kaizen, which means basically that, but in Japanese, with one word. It's the 1% better every day. 1% less mistakes, 1% less wasting time when you're working out, 1%. And it does. It compounds, and that's how you achieve things.
I love how you always put a word that's some sort of scientific word to what I'm trying to say, which is just blah, 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 blah. And then you're like, that's Kaizen. Oh, I didn't know that.
Well, there it is. Well, it is compound. What you call it? Compound interest?
I call it compound improvement.
Improvement.
Based on
like
the concept of compound interest, or doubling. I mean, that's really compound improvement. If you take, a dime and you double it in a month, it's like $1 million.
Yeah.
Because it becomes 20 cents, 40 cents, 80 cents, $1.60, yada,
a
yada,
lot.
yada. You're a millionaire.
That's a lot of dimes. It really is.
And that's your takeaway.
That's
your
what I think so.
takeaway. Okay, good to know.
No, you could just think of that too. As when you're doing stuff, compound your dimes.
Well, after 398 episodes, have we used the concept of kaizen?
We have.
I agree.
We have. I mean, we're looking at 8 years.
Yeah, the episodes used to be like 20 minutes long. We're down to, if we end this in the next minute, we're down to under 6. So kaizen works.
That's true.
Okay, we got to go.
We do have to go. Thanks for listening. Be with us again next week for another episode.